Have you ever wondered about the power of the Psalms? The book of Psalms is a collection of sacred songs and prayers, written by different authors over hundreds of years. These powerful words have the ability to touch our hearts, heal our souls, and connect us with the divine. It's in this beginning guide, we will explore the timeless wisdom and beauty of the Psalms. Whether you are new to the Bible or seeking to deepen your spiritual journey, the Psalms offer a pathway to spiritual growth and transformation. Psalms cover a wide range of human experiences and emotions, from joy to gratitude to sorrow and despair. They teach us how to express our deepest emotions to God and remind us that we never are alone in our struggles. Throughout this guide, we will dive into the most beloved Psalms, such as Psalms 23. Let's read. The Lord is my shepherd. I have all that I need. He lets me rest in green meadows. He leads me beside peaceful streams. He renews my strength. He guides me along the right path, bringing honor to his name. Even when I walk through the darkest valley, I will not be afraid, for you are close beside me. Your rod and your staff protects and comforts me. You prepare a feast for me in the presence of my enemies. You honor me by anointing my head with oil. My cup overflows with blessings. Surely your goodness and unfailing love will pursue me all the days of my life, and I will live in the house of the Lord forever. This Psalms reassures us of God's presence and guidance in our lives. We will also explore Psalms 139. Let's take a look. And it reads, O Lord, you have examined my heart, and you know everything about me. You know when I sit down or stand up. You know my thoughts, even when I'm far away. You see me when I travel, when I rest at home. You know everything I do. You know what I am going to say, even before I say it, Lord. You go before me and follow me. You place your hands of blessings on my head. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me, too great for me to understand. I can never escape from your spirit. I can never get away from your presence. If I go up to heaven, you are there. If I go down to the grave, you are there. If I ride the wings of the morning, if I dwell by the farthest oceans, even there your hands will guide me. Your strength will support me. I could ask the darkness to hide me and the light around me to become night. But even in the darkness, I cannot hide from you. To you, the night shines as bright as day. Darkness and light are the same to you. You made all the delicate inner parts of my body and knit me together in my mother's womb. Thank you for making me wonderfully complex. Your workmanship is marvelous. How well I know it. You watch me as I have been formed in utter seclusion, as I was woven together in the dark of the womb. You saw me before I was born. Every day of my life was recorded in your book. Every moment was laid out before a single day had passed. How precious are your thoughts about me, O God? They cannot be numbered. I can't even count them. They outnumber the grain of sand. And when I wake up, you are still with me. Oh God, if you know, oh God, if only you would destroy the wicked. Get out of my life, you murderers. They blaspheme you. Your enemies misuse your name. O Lord, shouldn't I hate those who hate you? Shouldn't I despise those who oppose you? Yes, I hate them with total hatred. For your enemies are my enemies. Search me, O God, and know my heart. Test me, how my anxious thoughts. Know my anxious thoughts. Point out anything in me that offends you, and lead me along the path of everlasting. A powerful reminder of God's intimate knowledge and love for us. By studying and reflecting on Psalms, we can find inspiration for our daily lives. These sacred verses can bring comfort during difficult times, guidance and wisdom for decision making, and a source of hope when we feel lost. To fully experience the power of Psalms, we encourage you to engage in devotional practices. We can write down your thoughts and prayers in journals, recite Psalms in moments of worship, and create artwork inspired by these verses. Countless individuals have experienced the transformative power of Psalms. They have found solace in a time of grief, strength in the midst of adversity, and a deep sense of joy and gratitude in praising God. So, are you ready to unleash the power of the Psalms? Dive into this beginner's guide and discover the profound truths and the blessings that await you within the sacred verses of the book of Psalms. I want to thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content just like this. May the Psalms guide you and bless your life. God bless you and God bless your family, and I'll see you in the next. Thanks.